Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Pelonis heater keeps turning off, overheat sensor, tip over switch and cleaning. Fix 1. Clear dust and vents. Dust buildup is the most common reason a heater cuts off prematurely. It restricts airflow and causes internal components to overheat, triggering the safety shutoff. Simply unplug the heater and let it cool, then use a vacuum with a brush attachment or a can of compressed air to thoroughly clean the front and back vents, fan blades, and coils. Fix 2. Check the power source. Space heaters require a massive amount of electricity. If you plug them into a standard extension cord or power strip, they can draw too much current and trip safety breakers. So always plug the heater directly into a wall outlet and make sure the outlet is functioning properly and not shared with other high wattage appliances. 6. 3. Verify thermostat settings. If your heater has an adjustable thermostat or eco mode, it will naturally turn off once it senses the surrounding area has reached the set temperature. So turn the thermostat to its highest setting to see if it runs continuously and ensure the heater is placed in a draft-free location, away from windows or cold spots that might trick the thermostat. Fix 4. Check the tip over switch. Most Pelonis heaters have a physical safety switch on the bottom that cuts power if the unit tilts or is picked up. So ensure the heater is placed on a completely flat, hard, and level surface. Sometimes thick carpets can prevent the bottom switch from being fully depressed. Fix 5. Reset the heater. If the heater overheated, a thermal safety fuse may have tripped. So unplug the heater and let it cool completely for 15 to 30 minutes. Then check for a dedicated reset button. It is usually red or black in color, located on the back or bottom of the unit, and then press it firmly until it clicks. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.